Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to resize a video in your timeline using DaVinci Resolve 21. So let's say you might want to do a picture-in-picture overlay or have your webcam overlaid over some video footage. The way you would do so is by resizing one video layer over the other. So to get started, I'm just going to drag another clip into my timeline right here. And as you can see right now, you can only see the topmost layer. And that's because the first layer is overlapping. There are no extra spaces in the video frame. So let's say I want to resize the top video to make it a bit smaller, and let's move it to the top right hand side. There are two ways you can go about this, and the first is by using the inspector menu here at the top right hand side of your screen. As you can see, you have some zoom options. If you hold this with your left click and drag it, you can make it smaller, just dragging it to the left here. You can also input a value manually, and that's one way of resizing your video. The other way that I think people will find more intuitive is by using the transform tool. So the transform tool is a little hidden and out of the way. It's this small button at the bottom left hand side of the playback monitor. Go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to see these dots appear in your monitor. Go ahead and drag one of those corners or one of those dots, and you should be able to freely resize and even move the video around. So if you'll notice, the values here in the inspector has changed. You can use that in case you want to fine tune the values a bit more. But it's really quick, really easy. I highly recommend getting familiar with some of these options in the transform menu because they can really save a lot of time. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.